Hello, hello, hello. I'm Christy Abel, and today I'm here to help you understand how to use the many social skills I've taught over the past weeks to manage your relationships effectively, all in about 5 minutes. Relationship management and social skills are the final, outwardly focused components of emotional intelligence or EQ. They represent your ability to successfully apply your awareness and management of emotions, both your own and others, to interactions with people. These concepts are often grouped together as they both fall under the umbrella of social competence, building on the foundation of personal competence, self-awareness and self-management, and social awareness, which includes empathy. Relationship management is your ability to use your awareness of your own emotions and those of others to manage those interactions and build successful long-term relationships with others. It's about putting all of the other components of EQ into practice to handle social situations effectively, whether it's a one-on-one conversation or leading a large team. So here are some key skills in relationship management. One, conflict management. This is skillfully approaching, managing, and resolving disagreements with tact and diplomacy, focusing on solutions rather than on blame. Next, we have clear communication. This is assertive, non-defensive communication that minimizes misunderstandings, includes active listening, and provides constructive feedback. By the way, I will do a video about each of these. Next, we have influencing and inspiration. This is the ability to articulate a vision, generate enthusiasm, and guide others towards a common goal. Next up, we have building bonds and trust, which is cultivating and maintaining positive connections through reliability, consistency, and genuine interest in others. Next, we have teamwork and collaboration. This is promoting a cooperative climate, sharing information, and working well with others to achieve shared objectives. And last but not least, we have being a change catalyst. This is when you recognize the need for change and effectively initiate, support, and manage the emotional process of change for others. I love the process of change, and I will definitely do a video on that. All right. In the context of EQ, social skills refer to the broad set of behaviors and abilities needed to handle and influence other people's emotions and interactions effectively. These are basically the tools that you use to execute relationship management. So social skills are where the understanding of others' emotions, social awareness and empathy transitions into actions. This is the observable way that you interact with the world. So, while relationship management is the overarching goal, which is to build strong relationships, social skills are the specific and dynamic abilities that you use in the moment to achieve that goal. So, in essence, social skills are the how-to of relationship management. And here's a couple of examples of core social skills. Number one, our good friend, active listening. This is giving your full undivided attention and demonstrating that you have heard and understood the person's message, including their emotional cues. And we have persuasion. Okay, this is winning others over to your ideas by reading the emotional currents of the situation and then appealing to their interests. We also have diplomacy and tact. This is handling difficult or sensitive issues with grace and avoiding offense. And last but not least, mentoring and developing others. This is recognizing and supporting the developmental needs and potential of other people. A person with a high EQ not only understands their own emotions, self-awareness, and manages their behavior, self-management, but also recognizes the emotions of others, social awareness, and then uses all of that information to successfully interact and build strong connections, relationship management, and social skills. Well, this wraps up this series of videos about emotional intelligence. I will be back next week to start a new series on communication and relationships. If you know of anyone who might benefit from this info, please share this video with them. Also, let me know what lands for you and maybe what doesn't in the comments. As someone who loves teaching and learning, it is so helpful for me to receive feedback. All right. I will see you next Wednesday.